कैलासमठाधीशं तिरुचिस्वामियतीश्वरं भावातीतं भवहरं वन्देऽहं परमं गुरुं साधुप्रियं कृपाब्धिं च शान्तमूर्तिं तपोनिधिं शिष्यप्रशिष्यरूपेण बोधकं गुरुमाश्रये। अम्बा शाम्भवी चन्द्रमौलिरबला अपर्णा उमा पार्वती काली हैमवती शिवा त्रिनयनी कात्यायनी भैरवी सावित्री नवयौवना शुभकरी साम्राज्यलक्ष्मी प्रदा चिद्रूपा परदेवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी। ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ನವರಾತ್ರಿ ಸತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ, ದಿಕ್ಕು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. When we do any activity, knowing the meaning of the activity, we get a direction in life. Otherwise what happens is it looks as though we are doing something without knowing, and somewhere or the other there will be a doubt, and when the doubt comes you won't be able to clarify that doubt. So a doubt is not a good sign in life. You should be free from doubts. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂದೇಹ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಏನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದರ ಗ್ರಂಥವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು 6ನೇ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ ಮತ್ತು 7ನೇ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಸಪ್ತಸತಿಯ 6th chapter and 7th chapter we have completed today morning. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿವಿ ನಾವು? ಚಂಡ ಮುಂಡ ಎಂಬ 2 ಅಸುರರ ಅವರ ವಿನಾಶವಾಗಿದೆ ದೇವಿ ಕೈಯಿಂದ. ಆ ದೇವಿ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ವಿನಾಶ ಆದ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಚಂಡ ಮುಂಡ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನೂ ಸಂಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಕಾಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಚಾಮುಂಡ ಅಥವಾ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪ್ರಧಾನವಾದ ಒಂದು ನಗರ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದ ಬಹಳ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ನಗರ ಮೈಸೂರು. ಈ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮೂಲ ಹೆಸರೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಹಿಷೂರು. ಮಹಿಷೂರು ಅದೇ ಮೈಸೂರು ಅಂತ. ಮಹಿಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರ, ಎಮ್ಮೆ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ರಾಕ್ಷಸನನ್ನು ದೇವಿ ಸಂಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಜಾಗ ಮಹಿಷೂರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಮಹಿಷೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರನ ಸಂಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಜಾಗ ಮಹಿಷ ಊರು, ಮಹಿಷೂರು, ಮೈಸೂರು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಗರಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಡ ಮೂಲಭೂತವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. The names of the cities also of Bharat, they are named based on the Puranas only. So that much is the power of the Purana, that much is the extent of the application of the Puranic names and also the history. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? 8ನೇ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ 8ನೇ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂಡಮುಂಡ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಸಂಹಾರ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಅವರ ರಾಜರಾದ ಶುಂಭ ನಿಶುಂಭರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕೋಪ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಶುಂಭ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಶುಂಭ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗ್ರಿ ನೋ. ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪರಾಕ್ರಮಿಗಳು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಸುರಾಸ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ದೇ ಡೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಈ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓದ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಓದ್ತಾನೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಷ್ಟಮೋಧ್ಯಾಯ ರಕ್ತಬೀಜವಧ ಧ್ಯಾನಂ ಓಂ ಅರುಣಾಂ ಕರುಣಾತರಂಗಿತಾಕ್ಷೀಂ ಧೃತಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಪುಷ್ಪಬಾಣಚಾಪಹಸ್ತಾಂ ಅಣಿಮಾದಿಭಿರಾವೃತಾಂ ಮಯೂಖೇರ್ ಅಹಮಿತ್ಯೇವ ವಿಭಾವಯೇ ಭವಾನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ದೇವಿಯನ್ನು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಶರೀರವುಳ್ಳವಳು. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ. Karuna Tarangitakshin, her eyes are full of compassion. Dhrita Pashankusha Pushpapana Chapahastam, she is having a Pasha rope, Ankusha gourd, and then she has got a bow and arrow in her hands, and she is surrounded by the 8 Siddhis. Anima, Lagima, Mahima, Ishitva, Vashitva, Prakamya. 8 Siddhigalinda she is surrounded by them. And that Bhavani Shakti is present in me, is present in you. Devi Shakti namellallu irodrinda, we all are the Shakti Swarupas. Anta bhavane madಬೇಕು. We all are meditating now that all the Shaktis are present in us only. ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ನಿವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಭಾವನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಂ ಋಷಿರುವಾಚ ಷಂಡೇ ಚ ನಿಹತೆ ದೈತ್ಯೇ ಮುಂಡೇ ಚ ವಿನಿಪಾತಿತೆ ಬಹುಲೇಷು ಚ ಸೈನ್ಯೇಷು ಚೈತೇಶ್ವಸುರೇಶ್ವರಃ ತತಃ ಕೋಪಪರಾಧೀನ ಚೇತಾ ಶುಂಭ ಪ್ರತಾಪವಾನ್ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಂ ಸರ್ವಸೈನ್ಯಾನಾಂ ದೈತ್ಯಾನಾಮಾದಿದೇಶಃ ಅದ್ಯ ಸರ್ವಬಲೈರ್ದೈತ್ಯಾ ಷಡಶೀತಿರುದಾಯುಧಾಃ ಕಂಬೂನಾಂ ಚತುರಶೀತಿರ್ ನಿರ್ಯಾಂತು ಸ್ವಬಲೈರ್ವೃತಾಃ ಕೋಟಿವೀರ್ಯಾಣಿ ಪಂಚಾಶತ್ ಅಸುರಾಣಾಂ ಕುಲಾನಿ ವೈ ಶತಂ ಕುಲಾನಿ ಧೌಮ್ರಾಣಾಂ ನಿರ್ಗಚ್ಚಂತು ಮಮಾಜ್ಞೆಯ ಕಾಲಕಾ ದೌರ್ಹೃದಾ ಮೌಢ್ಯಾ ಕಾಲಕೇಯಾಸ್ತತಾಸುರಾ ಯುದ್ಧಾಯ ಸಜ್ಜಾ ನಿರ್ಯಾಂತು ಆಜ್ಞೆಯಾ ತ್ವರಿತಾ ಮಮ. ಇವಾಗ ಶುಂಭ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಶುಂಭ have now sent all the Asura Sainyas. There are different names of Asura Sainyas. Like we have in our human armed forces, we have cavalry, we have infantry, we have the pattern tanks. Like the different types of military forces are there, and they are also of different regiments. Like we have MEG regiment, ASC regiment. So Asuras have also got different regiments. So he has sent all the regiments, 84,000 of one regiment, 86,000 of another regiment, 60,000 of another regiment, 500 of another regiment. All the regiments are coming now one by one. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೈನ್ಯಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇವಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇತ್ಯಾಜ್ಞಾಪ್ಯಾಸುರಪತಿ ಶುಂಭೋ ಭೈರವಶಾಸನಃ ನಿರ್ಜಗಾಮ ಮಹಾಸೈನ್ಯ ಸಹಸ್ರೈರ್ಬಹುವಿರ್ವೃತಃ ಆಯಾಂತಂ ಚಂಡಿಕಾ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ವಾ ತತ್ಸೈನ್ಯಮತಿಭೀಷಣಂ ಜಾಸ್ವನೇ ಪೂರಯಾಮಾಸ ಧರ್ಮಂ ಗಗನಾಂತರಂ ತದಸ್ಸಿಂಹೋ ಮಹಾನಾದಂ ಅತೀವ ಕೃತವಾನ್ ನೃಪ ಘಂಟಾಸ್ವನೇನ ನನಾದ ತನ್ನಾದಂ ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಚೋಪಗೃಂಧಯತ್ ಧನುಜ್ಜಾ ಸಿಂಹಘಂಟಾನಾಂ ನಾದಾ ಪೂರಿತಸಿಂಹಾ ನಿನಾದೈರ್ಭೀಷಣೈಃ ಕಾಲೀ ಜಿಹ್ವೆ ವಿಸ್ತಾರಿತಾನನಾ ತಂ ನಿನಾದಮುಪಶ್ರುತ್ಯ ದೈತ್ಯಸೈನ್ಯಶ್ಚತುರ್ದಿಶಂ ದೇವಿ ಸಿಂಹಸ್ತಥಾ ಕಾಲೀ ಸರೋಜೈಃ ಪರಿವಾರಿತಾಃ. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ದೇವಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ದೇವಿ ಇಸ್ ನೌ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ಯಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇವಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್, ದೇವಿ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಸೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ instruments which she has got. Ghantanada, she is sounding the bell and she is pulling the string of the bow, and all these things are making a loud noise, and all over the world you are hearing the noise just like we are hearing now. Everywhere, all over noise is there. That is called a sound, no? Nada. That is Dhanujya, Simha Ghantana, Nadapur Mukha. And the lion is also roaring like anything. So you find all sounds are coming there. The sound which cannot be borne by anybody. And hearing this sound, the Rakshasas, all of them, they are now terrified. The Rakshasas are terrified. Remember, only demons will be terrified. Other people will never be terrified. You know, it's all God's Leela. Paramatma Leela, even Bhaya Illa. So all the Rakshasas are terrified. They surround Devi completely. They surround Devi and the lion. From all sides they are surrounded now. Ekasminnantare bhupa vinashaya suradvisham bhavayamara simhanam ativirya balanvitaah ब्रह्मेश गो विष्णूनां तथेन्द्रस्य शक्तयः शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकायुः यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यथा भूषणवाहनं तद्वदेवैतच्छक्तिर् असुरान्योद्धुमाययौ हंसयुक्तविमानाग्रे साक्ष्यसूत्रकमण्डलुः आयात ब्रह्मणः शक्तिर् ब्रह्माणि साभिधीयते माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा त्रिशूलवरधारिणी महाहि बलया प्राप्ता चंद्ररेखा विभूषणा कौमारी शक्तिहस्ता च मयूरवरवाहना योधमध्यायौ दैत्यान् अंबिका गुहरूपिणी तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्गरुडोपरि संस्थिता शंख चक्र गदा शार्ङ्ग खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ यज्ञवाराहमतुलं रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरे शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र वाराहीं बिभ्रती तनुं नारसिंही विसंहस्य बिभ्रती सदृशं वपुः प्राप्ता तत्र सदाक्षेप चित्तनक्षत्रसंहतिः वज्रहस्ता तदैवेन्द्री गजराजोपरि स्थिता प्राप्ता सहस्रनयना यथा शक्रस्तथैव सा ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದೇವಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶಕ್ತಿ all the devatas Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara now they are also releasing their shaktis. Indra is sending Aindri, Vishnu is sending Vaishnavi, Shiva is sending Shiva, Brahma is sending Brahmani. So all the devatas, Varuna Devata is sending a female form of that Deva. All the devatas are taking female form and coming here for the war now. Very, very huge war. So our Vishnu has got different avatars. So one of the avatars is Varaha Avatara. It's called the wild boar. So Devi is taking the form of a wild boar and coming, called as Varahi. And the Narasimha Avatara is taking, Devi is taking Narasimha Avatara, that is Narasimhi. So all are female forms now. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. तथा परिवृतस्ताभिर्ईशानो देवशक्तिभिः अन्यकामसुरा शीघ्रं मम प्रीत्याह चण्डिकाम् ततो देवशरीरात्तु निष्क्रान्तादिभीषणा चण्डिका शक्तिरत्युग्रा शिवा शतनिनादिनी सा चाह धूम्रजटिलम् ईशानमपराजिता दूतत्वं गच्छ भगवन् पार्श्वं शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः ब्रूहि शुम्भं निशुम्भं च दानववति गर्वितौ ये चान्ये दानवास्तत्र युद्धाय समुपस्थिताः. Now one more Shakti is coming out of Devi, and that Shakti is coming and telling, she is calling Shiva, that is Rudra. She is calling Rudra, that is the form of Shiva. Hey Shiva, now for my sake, can you do a small work? Devi is telling Shiva, for my sake, you have to be a messenger. ನೀನು ಒಂದು ದೂತನಾಗಬೇಕು. ದೂತನಾಗಿ you have to go to Shumba and Nishumba. Go and tell them, I am giving you one chance. I am giving you one opportunity. One more opportunity. You go back to Patala. That is your place. The Devatas are supposed to be in the Swarga. That is their place. You go back to Patala. You will be permitted to go back to Patala without any more destruction. If you do not go, then you have to face the war. That is the message sent through Shiva. So because Shiva was sent as a Duta or a messenger, so Devi gets another new name, Shivaduti. He is called as Shivaduti. यूयं त्रैलोक्यम् इन्द्रो लभतां देवा सन्तु हविर्भुजः यूयं प्रयातपातालं यदि जीवितुमिच्छत बलावले पादत चेत् भवन्तो युद्धकाङ्क्षिणः तदा गच्छत तृप्यन्तु मच्छिवापिशिते नमः यतो नियुक्तो दैत्येन तया देव्या शिवस्वयं शिवदूतीति लोकेऽस्मिंस्ततः साक्षादिमागता तेऽपि श्रुत्वा वचो देव्या शर्वाख्यातं महासुरा अमर्षापूरिता जग्मुः यत्र कात्यायनी स्थिता ततः प्रथममेवाग्रे सरशक्तिवृष्टिवृष्टिभिः ओर्षुरुद्धतामर्षस्तां देवी ममरारयः सा च तान् प्रहितान् बाणान् शूरशक्तिपरश्वरान् चिच्छेदलीलयाद्मात धनुर्मुक्तैर्महेषुभिः. Now Shumba and Nishumba have come there. Now they have not accepted the advice of Devi. So they all came for the war. When they came for the war, then they started attacking Devi with different arrows, swords, spears, and then gada, all types of weapons they are using now. And Devi is very easily, she is cutting off all the weapons and making them as garbage. Everything is being cut by Devi. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ದೇವಿ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಬಂದಿರುವ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಸ್ತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಶಸ್ತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿ ದೈತ್ಯರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. तस्याकृतस्तदा काली शूलपातविदारितां ಖಟ್ವಾಂಗಪೋತಿ ತಾಂಶ್ಚಾರಿ ಕುರ್ವತಿ ದಶರಥದ. ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಳಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. People are falling down and Kali is walking around and then swallowing everybody one by one. Kamandalu jalakshepa hata viryam hataujasa brahmani chakaro chatru yena smadhavati maheshwari trishulena tatha chakrena vaishnavi daityan jagana kumari tatha shakyadi kopina aindri kulshapatena shatashodaitya danava ketu vidayita prithvivyam rujirauga pravarshina. Now all the female devis, that is female Trimurti. So Vaishnavi is using the Sudarshana Chakra, and then Shiva, or what we call as Maheshwari, she is using the Trishula now. Brahmani, that is Brahmas is using, she is making everybody to run. Brahmani is, because she is Saraswati, she is just by her voice itself, she is making everybody to flee from there. And then Aindri is using the Vajrayuda. Aindri is using the Vajrayuda and then continuously killing the Asuras. Kunda Prahara Vidhvasta Daritragrakshada Vakshasa Varahamurtya Nepatans Chakrena Javidarita Nakai Vidarita Shanya Vakshayanti Mahasuran Narasimhi Chacharayu Nada Purna Digambara. Then Varahi and Narasimhi, because Varahi is a wild boar. The wild boar is falling on all the Asuras and tearing them apart. Wild boar, Kadu Handi ರೂಪವನ್ನು ಧಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ದೇವಿ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ತುಂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನರಸಿಂಹಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ತಿಂತಾ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನರಸಿಂಹ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಚಂಡಹಾಟ್ಟಾಸಯ ಅಸುರಾಃ ಶಿವದೂತ್ಯಭಿದೂಷಿತಾ ಕೇತು ಪೃಥಿವ್ಯಾ ಪತಿತಾಸ್ತಾಂಚ ಭಾರತ ಸಾತರಾ ಇತಿ ಮಾತೃಗಣಂ ಕ್ರುದ್ಧಂ ಮರ್ದಯಂತಂ ಮಹಾಸುರಾನ್ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ವಾ ಅಭ್ಯುಪಾಯೈರ್ ವಿವಿಧೈರ್ ಮೇಷು ದೈವಾರಿ ಸೈನಿಕಾಃ ಪಲಾಯನ ಪರಾನ್ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ವಾ ದೈತ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾತೃಗಣಾನಿತಾನ್ ಯೋದ್ಧಮಭ್ಯಾಯೌ ಕ್ರುದ್ಧೋ ರಕ್ತಬೀಜೋ ಮಹಾಸುರಃ. So everybody is being eaten now by Chandi. Kali is going, Devi, all the Devis are simply swallowing the Asura one by one. So when they could not see the destruction anymore, ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾಶವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಸಹಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಸುರನನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ. ದಟ್ ಅಸುರ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಕ್ತ ಬೀಜ. ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಅಸುರ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ರಕ್ತ ಬೀಜ ಎಂಬ ಅಸುರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಕ್ತ ಬೀಜ? ದಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ನೌ. ರಕ್ತಬಿಂದುರೇವಾ ಭೂಮೌ ಪತತ್ಯಸ್ಯ ಶರೀರತಃ ಸಮುತ್ಪತತಿ ಮೇದಿನ್ಯಾಂ ತತ್ಪ್ರಮಾಣಸ್ತದಾಸುರಃ ಯುಧೇ ಸ ಗದಾಪಾಣಿರ್ ಇಂದ್ರಶಕ್ತ್ಯಾ ಮಹಾಸುರಃ ತತಶ್ಚೈಂದ್ರೀ ಸ್ವವಜ್ರೇಣ ರಕ್ತಬೀಜಮತಾಡಯೇತ್. So ರಕ್ತಬೀಜ has come now, and ರಕ್ತಬೀಜ has got a special quality. Anybody hurts Raktabija, if one drop of blood falls on the floor, on the ground, another Asura will be born from that. So that much equally powerful to him. So every drop of blood will form another Asura. So he has taken the Vajrayuda and he is fighting with Devi. So Aindri has come. Indrani has come with the Vajrayuda. Both are fighting now. ಕುಲಿಶೇನಾಹ ತಸ್ಯಾಶು ಬಹು ಸುಸ್ರಾವಶೋಣಿಕಂ ಸಮುತ್ತಸ್ತುಸ್ತತೋ ಯೋಧಾಸ್ ತದ್ರೂಪಾ ತತ್ಪರಾಕ್ರಮ ಯಾವಂತ ಪತಿತಾಸ್ತಸ್ಯ ಶರೀರಾತ್ ರಕ್ತಬಿಂದವಃ ತಾವಂತ ಪುರುಷಾ ಜಾತಾತ್ ತದ್ವೀರ್ಯ ಬಲಪರಾಕ್ರಮ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾಃ. So now Devi, Aindri is going on hurting him. So blood is flowing out. With every drop of blood, again Asuras are coming. So any amount of wounds he gets, but so many Asuras are coming. So the entire war field is now filled with only Raktabija only. ते चापि युधुस्तत्र पुरुषा रक्तसंभवा समं मातृभिरत्युग्र शस्त्रपातादिभीषणं पुनश्च वज्रपातेन शतमस्य शिरो यदा भवाः रक्तं पुरुषास्ततो जाता सहस्रशः वैष्णवी समरे चैनं चक्रेणाभिजगानः गदया ताडयामास ऐन्द्री तमसर्वेश्वरं. Now Vaishnavi is going and cutting him with chakra. Aindri is hurting him with a gada, and all the different types of devis are attacking from all sides. Not only one Asura, all the Asuras are being attacked. But what is happening is, with every drop of blood, again Asuras are coming up. So there is no end to the Asuras at all now. वैष्णवी चक्र भिन्नस्य रुधिरस्राव संभवैः सहस्रशो जगद्व्याप्तं तत्प्रमाणैर्महासुरैः शक्त्या जगान कौमारी वाराहि च तथासिना माहेश्वरी त्रिशूलेन रक्तबीजं महासुरं स चापि गदया दैत्य सर्वा एवाहनत् पृथक् मातृकोपसमाविष्टो रक्तबीजो महासुरः। नौ ऐन्द्री वैष्णवी कौमारी. Kaumari is Subramanya form. Kaumari is Subramanya form. So Subramanya has got this shula or what we call a veil in his hand. So she is throwing the spear onto the asura. But what is happening? Asuras are increasing. So the entire universe, just like COVID, the entire universe is now completely filled with only asuras to Rakta Bija only. See the name also. You understand the name of the asura. Rakta Bija, blood seed. Rakta Bija means blood seed. So that is why we are maintaining distance now. If one person touches another person, the seed will go and be sown there. So that is Rakta Bija. Today what asura we are seeing is Rakta Bija asura. So that Kali has to come now. You will see how Kali comes. Tapatayo vai rakto gastenasan shatasosuraha तैश्चासुर सृक् सम्भूतैरसुरै सकलं जगत् व्याप्तमासीत् ततो देवा भयमाजग्मुर् उत्तमं तान् विषण्णान् सुरान् दृष्ट्वा चण्डिका प्राह सत्वरा उवाच कालीं चामुण्डे विस्तीर्णं बदरं कुरु. Now Devi Ambika has called Kali. She called Kali, who is of a different form. You know, Kali's form is different from Ambika. Kali has got all only skulls on her body. She is wearing a garland of skulls, also heads, and she is in a very fierce form. Her tongue is protruding outside. So ನಾಲಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಳಿ ದೇವಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಕಾಳಿ ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಲಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಆ ಇಡೀ ಯುದ್ಧ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾಸಿಬಿಡು. You spread your tongue on the entire battlefield. So whatever drops of blood come and fall there, you swallow them. Or whenever somebody is hurt, whenever asura is hurt, you go there and drink away the blood. Don't allow the blood to fall on the ground. Because the boon given to the asura is, if the blood falls on the ground only, there will be an asura. Otherwise an asura cannot be born. So Kali started her action. She started going. So suppose one asura is attacked, she will go there and drink up the blood and then swallow that person. So one by one asuras are being swallowed by Kali and no drop of blood is allowed to fall on the ground. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂಡ ರಕ್ತ ಬಿಂದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೀಳಬಾರದಂತ ಕಾಳಿ ಹೊರಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಮಚ್ಛಸ್ತ್ರಪಾತ ಸಂಭೂತಾನ್ ರಕ್ತ ಬಿಂದು ಮಹಾಸುರಾನ್ ರಕ್ತ ಬಿಂದು ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷತ್ವಂ ವಕ್ತ್ರೇಣಾನೇನ ವೇಗಿನ ಭಕ್ಷಯಂತಿ ಚರರಣೆ ತದುತ್ಪನ್ನಾನ್ ಮಹಾಸುರಾನ್ ಏವಮೇಷ ಕ್ಷಯಂ ದೈತ್ಯ ಕ್ಷೀಣರಕ್ತೋ ಗಮಿಷ್ಯತಿ. Now you have to make him completely devoid of blood. You know, in a human being's body, when the blood becomes completely, when his blood is exhausted, one cannot live. Because blood is the carrier of energy. Blood is the carrier of life. So blood is the carrier of oxygen also. Prana is carried by blood. So when the blood is exhausted, a person cannot live. So she says, Ambika is saying, Devi is saying, oh Kali, you go and then make sure that not even a drop of blood should fall on the ground. I will keep on attacking Rakta Bija, and when all the blood of his body goes away, he will die, then you can swallow him up. So she has started now. भक्ष्यमाणास्त्वया चौग्रा न चोपत्स्यन्ति चापरे इत्युक्ता तां ततो देवी शूलेनाभिजगानतं मुखेन काली जगृहे रक्तबीजस्य शोणितं ततो असौ जघानाथ गदया तत्र चण्डिकां न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे गदापातोऽल्पिकामपि तस्याः तस्य देहात् तु बहु सुस्राव शोणितं. Now Rakta Bija came to understand that he is going to be exhausted now. So he took the gada and attacked Devi. So he threw the gada and it came and fell on Devi. It was just like a small leaf and coming and falling on Devi. It did not hurt her at all. So Rakta Bija is now slowly being drained of blood. Rakta Bijana ಶರೀರದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಕ್ತವೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Once again try to understand this. Rakta means blood and Bija is seed. So now the original seed of Rakta Bija is being removed now. The original seed of the Rakta Bija is completely going to be destroyed. Otherwise it continuously will be multiplying. न चास्या वेदनां चक्रे गतपातोऽल्पिकामपि तस्याः तस्य देहात् तु बहु सुस्राव शोणितं यतस्ततस्तद्वक्त्रेण चामुण्डा सम्प्रतीच्छति मुखे समुद्गता येस्या रक्तपातान् मह्वासुराः तान् शखाधात चामुण्डा पपौ तस्य च शोणितं देवी शूलेन वज्रेण बाणैरसिभिर्वृष्टिभिः. Now continuously the attack is going on and blood is falling and Kali is continuously swallowing the blood. So now slowly Raktabija is becoming weaker and weaker. जघान रक्तबीजं तं चामुण्डापीत शोणितं सपपात महीपृष्ठे शत्रसङ्गं समाहतः नीरक्तश्च महीपाल रक्तबीजो महासुरः ततस्ते हर्षमतुलम् अवापुस्थितशा नृप तेषां मातृगणो जातो ननर्तास्त्रिङ्मदोद्धतः. Now continuously this happened and Raktabija has fallen to the ground. So one more big asura has been completely slain by Devi and the Devatas are very happy. And the Devis are also, there is a war dance going on there. There is a war dance going on, celebration is going on. So ultimately, Devi has now slain Raktabija and that is the completion of the 8th chapter. Hari Om Tat Sat.